Hi everybody, I'll show you guys how to program a remote control for Toyota. It works on most of the models of Toyota. First you need the driver door open and all the rest of the doors closed. You need to put the key in the ignition and take it out for twice. 1, 2. Close and open the door twice. 1, 2. Put the key in the ignition one time. Take it out. Close the door and open twice. 1, 2. Put the key in the ignition. Close the door. Turn it on, off. Take the key out. You need to hit the recycle. Press and lock and unlock one time. Then press the lock button and the key is programmed. Open the door, close it, and the trunk. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.